This inner magnetic drive assembly is one of the core components of the high temperature and high pressure consistometer. Its main function is to stir the cement slurry using a magnetic-driven impeller, allowing an accurate measurement of cement slurry consistency. Its working principle is also very simple. Then the external motor drives the outer magnetic drive to rotate through the belt. The magnetic field is generated that causes the internal magnetic assembly inside the kettle to rotate in the scene. This non-contact power transmission mode not only avoids the wear of traditional mechanical transmission, but also greatly improves overall stability. Moreover, the inner magnetic drive assembly is highly resistant to heat. It maintains reliable performance even in harsh, high temperature and high pressure environment. During testing, the stable power transmission ensures the accuracy of the test data.